Welcome to Moo Moo Math and Science. In this video, I'd like to talk about two physical properties, malleability and ductility. Malleability is the ability of a solid to bend or be hammered into other shapes without breaking. If malleable, a material can be flattened into thin sheets by hammering or rolling. Examples of malleable metals are gold, iron, aluminum, copper, silver. Because metals are malleable, blacksmiths have been able to hammer metals into helpful objects over the years. Compare a malleable metal to this piggy bank, which is not malleable. Because gold is malleable, it can be fashioned into jewelry. Ductility is a physical property of a material with the ability to be hammered into thin sheets or stretched into wire without breaking. A ductile substance can be drawn into a wire. Again, most metals are good examples of ductile materials, including gold, copper, and silver. Aluminum is not very ductile. Copper is used to make wires, and gold can also be used to make wire. This glass is not very ductile. So there we go, two physical properties, malleability and ductility. Thanks for watching, and Moo Moo Math uploads a new math and science video every day. Please subscribe and share.